E, E. We all know how it sounds. Yes. Is it Chris? Yeah, Chris. How does it sound? It sounds E. If it sounds E, it means if I say this. C. If I say this. E. Good. Those are the two that I wanted to give to now. Then if I also have this one. What would that be? Radio U. E again. We still have an E. So it means if I say this. And if I say this. Yeah. And now I also have this one. Yes, Michi? Right? I'll use this one. Have you ever heard this song before? Chief. Have you ever seen the chief? You know what is a chief? Who knows what is a chip? What's a chip?